guys, it's Hila and we made the bread yesterday and we are ready to eat. But what's on the bread? Well, let's get right into it, and we are going to make a beautiful little bread spread. What you need is 3 flat cups of sunflower seeds. So I actually already prepared the pulverized ones, but I'm going to show you how to do this. So sunflower seeds, 3 cups of this, and then we have half a cup of lime and half a cup of liquid amnios. And we are going to pulverize. Okay, I'll leave it to here. That takes a while, and the result is going to be a nice smooth texture, which we are going to need to make our bread spread. So let's use this second Vitamix that I finally can start demonstrating how much fun this is. And then we're going to add here the 3 pulverized cups. Gonna shut it and select bread spread, which is 1 minute. And here we go. This is working hard. Let's have a look. I open this up here, and then so now we have a basic sunflower cheese. Now from here you can start letting your magic work. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put it into my separate container, and I prepared a cup full of red bell pepper. So from here you can just start to become creative and add your veggies. So in my case, I love red bell pepper, and it's super yummy when it is fresh. Okay, you see, this is a proper cheese already, and this is the bread we made. So that one was in for a little longer, and meanwhile my food in the back is cooking over. So I'm cooking actually for my family, and I'm doing my raw vegan stuff here. So this is the bread we made. It was in for a little more than 12 hours, and then you can go ahead, spread it on your bread. It's super yummy, and it goes extra well with cucumber sticks. If you like me, I can't live off only salads and fruits, so this is a beautiful thing to have handy in your fridge. Raw vegan, basic sunflower cheese, add whatever you desire, and the raw vegan bread, and enjoy food. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you shortly. Bye!